Hi, class. Well, we've reached week 4. Um, we want to recap with week 3. We just finished talking about our different study skills. We talked about our time management plan and our schedule and how we're going to study and plan out our study time, our work time, and personal time. We talked about how we take our notes. You guys did a great job on your note submission. So you guys have great strategies here to be successful. So moving into week 4, now this is our crunch time. So we only have 2 more weeks of school, of class, I should say. So what I want to, before I get into what we're actually going to talk about in week 4, I want to make sure you understand some things. First of all, let's talk about grades. You need 700 points to pass this class. If you have any zeros, that hurts your chances in getting to those 700 points. So you want to make sure that even the assignments that you have zeros on, you want to submit those so that you can add more points to your total. 700 is what you need to pass this class, and I want everyone to pass this class. So make sure that you're turning in any missing assignments, okay? Then the second point I want to make is during this week, we have what's called end of term survey. You click on that and you take the survey, and that helps us. We actually read those and we take your advice. That helps us improve our curriculum and our instruction. So your voice is heard, and we do appreciate your feedback. So please be sure to submit your feedback. The other thing I want to bring to mention is, I don't know if you guys have seen the banner when you log into Canvas, but we have this contest going on. If you submit for attendance this week, your name goes into a bucket for a drawing for a new laptop, a Lenovo laptop. So you guys want to make sure that you submit your discussions and your assignments this week so that your name can be put in the hat for that drawing. So those are the things that I want to stress before we get into the actual topics for the week. Be sure to take a look at your grades and submit any missing assignments. Now, let's talk about week 4. We're going to talk about problem solving and critical thinking. We have some excellent practice work and videos about how to solve problems. You will be surprised that there is actually a strategy on how to solve your problems. And not only is this helpful for your schoolwork, but this is also helpful for life and for your job. I look forward to hearing your discussion, things that you learned about problem solving. How does it relate to your life and to your work? And then there is an activity on finding the best solution, using your problem thinking skills, your problem solving skills, your critical thinking skills to solve a problem and then submit your solution in assignment 4. That's a fun assignment. I look forward to seeing what you guys think and what you guys say about that assignment. Be sure to read the instructions clearly in each of the discussions and your assignments and then submit them. If you have any questions, remember you can give me a call, text me, or shoot me an email. I want to encourage you. You guys are doing a great job. I love the things that you're saying in the discussion board and the work that you're doing in your assignments. Have a great week.